Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain illicit alcohol production. It's vital to understand the significant dangers associated with making homemade spirits. Such practices often lead to serious health complications due to unknown ingredients and improper distillation. Furthermore, legal repercussions for manufacturing and distributing unregulated alcohol can be very severe, including hefty fines and imprisonment. Prioritizing safety and legality is always paramount. Homemade illicit alcohol frequently contains dangerous contaminants, posing extreme health risks. Methanol, a common byproduct of improper distillation, can cause permanent blindness or even death. Other toxic substances may lead to severe liver damage, kidney failure, and other irreversible organ damage. The lack of quality control makes every batch a potential health hazard, emphasizing the importance of avoiding such products. Engaging in the production of illicit alcohol carries severe legal consequences. Authorities impose substantial fines, often thousands of dollars, and lengthy prison sentences for those caught manufacturing or distributing unregulated spirits. These laws are in place to protect public health and safety from dangerous products. Understanding these legal risks is essential to avoid serious criminal charges and their long-term impact. Making safe and legal choices regarding alcohol consumption is always the best path. Your health and financial security are invaluable, so avoid any activities that could jeopardize them. For those interested in improving their financial outlook and making wise decisions, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. It's a great resource for building a secure future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.